Hi. This time I'm not really going to give you as much a tip as a warning. In our hard times right now, you're going to get a lot of pressure from yourselves, your spouse, or other tax people who aren't very ethical to try to stretch your deductions. The IRS is looking especially hard right now to people who are doing that. As you can imagine, the government's stressed by the amount of sheer money they're spending. So they're looking to grab every dime they can. Now is not the time to try to exaggerate your deductions. Deduct what you're allowed to deduct, and resist the temptation. You'll sleep better, and when the IRS calls, you'll be able to really sleep because you won't have any worries.